Now we're going to read our complex text, Big 8 Identities, for the second time. By now, you should have already read it one time in order to get an understanding of the main ideas. The second time that we read, you should walk away with a more detailed understanding of the text. Okay, here we go from paragraph 1. The Big 8 comprises 8 of the major identities that help us understand parts of who we are and where we come from. While this list is not all-encompassing, it gives us an opportunity to explore some of our social group memberships, many, but not all, of which we are born into. Understanding who we are and who others are helps us honor human dignity and create authentically inclusive spaces. Paragraph 2. Age. This identity is about how people are categorized by society's perceptions of different age groups. For example, college students may be referred to as kids despite technically being adults and may be dismissed because of assumptions about this group's maturity level and capability. Older or elderly adults may also be discriminated against in employment or may be treated as children as they age. Let's make sure we understand this identity marker of age. The first question you're going to answer is, in other words, what is age? What is age? Now, you will answer, what are some aspects of this identity age, or what are some identity markers of age? Good job. Let's keep reading. Paragraph 3, ability. This identity is about the diverse array of differences in physical, mental, cognitive, developmental learning, and/or emotional makeup. It also includes mental health and the impact of social experiences such as trauma and surviving abuse. Paragraph 4, race. This identity refers to the concept used to classify humans based on perceived physical characteristics such as skin color, eye shape and color, hair texture, body shape and size, and other physical features. Paragraph 5, ethnicity. While race classifies people based on perceived physical characteristics, ethnicity refers more to culture, such as sharing a common language, ancestry, national origin, and/or a variety of cultural beliefs. So now you should have a better understanding of the details of this complex text. Now you will move on to do the first read of part 2. Do the first read, get a main understanding of part 2 by moving on in the module.